month ago, the outskirts of Mumbai was brought to a complete standstill when a massive protest erupted in Thane district, demanding the alleged rapist of Badlapur's sexual assault case be handed over to them and hung in public. 3 days ago, he was shot dead in a police encounter. Hello and welcome, I'm Megha Prasad and you're watching me on ABP Live. A crime so deeply distressing and horrifying that it deserved nothing but death penalty. A 4-year and a 5-year-old child taken to a secluded spot in the girls' toilet, their clothes removed and their private parts touched with such force that one of the girls complained of pain when she got back home, bringing the assault to the parents' attention. These two victims were kindergarten students. Akshay Shinde, a 23-year-old sweeper who was hired by the school on 1st of August this year, had sexually assaulted 2 children within just 12 days of his starting work. When the parents approached the school, they were initially turned away. When the cops were approached, they took 12 hours to file the FIR and another 5 days to arrest the accused, a crucial delay that infuriated the locals who decided to take the law into their own hands. The opposition parties were quick to see the opportunity and push the protest. And this was the result. Vandalism, stone pelting, trains halted. Chief Minister Eknath Shinde claimed that the protesters were outsiders brought in by political parties and they were not the locals.
हे जे कालचं जे आंदोलन होतं हे पॉलिटिकल मोटिवेटेड होतं असं माझं म्हणणं आहे. कारण इतक्या फटाफट कधी आंदोलन जेव्हा होतं ते स्थानिक लोक असतात, इथं स्थानिक लोक हाताच्या बोटावर मोजण्या इतके होते आणि इतर ठिकाणून गाड्या भरून भरून त्या ठिकाणी आंदोलनकर्ते आले होते.
The only demand that echoed here was hang the sweeper in public. BJP, that holds the home portfolio, found itself on the back foot and resolved to move fast. SIT was formed on the day of the protest. Charge sheet was filed within a month. 20 statements were taken backing evidence establishing the crime. The government announced the case would be fast-tracked and Ujjwal Nikam was appointed special public prosecutor who announced that state would seek death penalty. Though for the opposition MVA, none of these measures were enough, as it is usually for the opposition in any state, and their unrelenting attacks continued.
ये घटना लगातार बढ़ती जा रही है. आज भी आते आते मैं ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहा था, थाने में ऐसा कुछ हुआ है. तो अब हमें चुप बैठना मतलब नामर्दानगी है.
Now cut to Monday evening. Accused Akshay Shinde was being transported from Taloja jail to another police station, and as per police's version, he tried to snatch the revolver of an assistant police inspector, Nilesh More. He fired 3 rounds, injuring the officer. Hence, the police fired at him in retaliation, which killed the man. The same political parties who had hit the streets seeking death penalty for the alleged rapist are surprisingly now preparing to go to the court seeking justice for the alleged assaulter. Yes, you heard me right. Now listen to what the Congress leader of the opposition in Maharashtra had to say.
आज जो बात सामने आई, आज जो घटना घटी कि पुलिस ने खुद के आत्मरक्षा के लिए गोलीबार किया, इसमें मुझे पूरा का पूरा गड़बड़ लगती है. हो सकता है कि मुख्य आरोपियों को खत्म करके आरएसएस और बीजेपी के जो संस्था के काम करने वाले लोग हैं, संस्था के लोग हैं, उसको बचाने के लिए ये प्रयास भी किया जा सकता है. ऐसी शंका लोगों में है और हमें भी आती है. अगर महाराष्ट्र की महायुति सरकार इस प्रकरण को सीरियसली नहीं लेती, हम लोग कोर्ट में भी जाएंगे और इसकी पूरी की पूरी इंक्वायरी, न्यायिक इंक्वायरी की मांग हम कोर्ट से विनती करके, रिक्वेस्ट करके करेंगे.
पुलिस की कहानियां एक के बाद एक बदल रही है. सबसे पहले बताया गया कि उसने खुदकुशी करने की कोशिश की, फिर कहा गया कि एनकाउंटर है, फिर कहा गया कि पुलिस को हमला कर रहा था. देखिए, एनकाउंटर किसका होता है? एनकाउंटर आतंकवादियों का होता है, एनकाउंटर अंडरवर्ल्ड के गुनहगारों को होता है. ये कौन आदमी था?
So Prithviraj Chavan, a former Maharashtra chief minister, saying that an alleged terrorist can be encountered, but an alleged rapist should not be, even when he was attempting to kill the cop. It's election time in Maharashtra and not a single party is going to miss this chance to gain political mileage out of an unfortunate incident. Sadly, that's politics in our country. This is what the allies of the MVA had to say.
एक साल में 100 से ज्यादा महिलाओं के ऊपर अत्याचार, बलात्कार और हत्याएं हुई है। कितने लोगों का एनकाउंटर किया देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने? एनकाउंटर एक ही क्यों? जिसने बलात्कार किए हैं या महिलाओं के ऊपर अत्याचार किए, सबका एनकाउंटर कर दो।
On the other hand, the Chief Minister's party, Shinde Sena, is on a different trip. There are ads in the newspapers taking credit for the encounter. This after the area erupted in celebration on the news of the encounter. Sweets were distributed. People expressed a sense of relief. But by cashing into this popular sentiment, does the Shinde-led government think that it will not be held accountable anymore and will be able to avoid questions on the law and order situation prevailing in the state? Instant justice is not the way of a civilized society. In a democracy like ours, it's upon courts to deliver justice. But what do you expect from the justice delivery system to do when they are balked by over 5 crore pending cases? Yes, that's our stats. People have become restless and there is a growing hunger for mob justice. This is what repeated failure from our justice system has done to our society. People's faith in the courts are fading away. And when it is about violating innocent children, not on the street, but inside the school premises, the intensity of public anger is extreme. A situation for which there are no easy answers. Thanks for stopping by.